In this lecture, we're going to open the Unity project, the start project, and open it within Unity and try it out. First of all, make sure you download the file in the bonus lecture all the way to the end of this class that says project-data-start.zip, and then double click on it to unzip it. This works on PC, Linux, and Windows, and obviously Mac. All right, so once it's unzipped, what I want you to do is open the folder with Unity. And how do you do this? Well, just open Unity. Once you have Unity, this is the splash. Click on Open and locate that project. Mine's inside of Files, and here is it. Here is the file, and what you have to do is just open the project data, the main folder. Don't drill inside of it, and click on Open. All right, and this will open it with Unity. Now, this may take a while because it needs to import the assets first, and you need to open the actual Unity scene. And mine's already open because it remembers it, but the name is scene-combat.unity. Okay, so that's what you have to open, and that's inside of the assets. So click on Assets, and if you drill down, you'll see the scene-combat. It's the one that has the Unity icon. Double click on it to open it. Once you've done that, we're going to try it out, and that's what I'm going to show you in the next lecture.